For most of history, humans have lived with one unspoken assumption: that we were the smartest known observers of reality. Superintelligence is the first idea that asks us to hold that assumption loosely. We are the beings who explain. We turn stars into astronomy, life into biology, suffering into philosophy, memory into history, uncertainty into questions. Explanation is how we have located ourselves in the world. Superintelligence does not only ask whether machines will become more useful. It asks whether, for the first time, humans may build an intelligence that does not extend human thought, but exceeds it. The question is no longer whether we can explain the world. The question is whether we remain the ones doing the explaining. To hold this squarely, we need 3 questions: what it is, where it lands, and what it changes about us. The first question is technical. Artificial general intelligence is usually described as a system that can perform across a broad range of cognitive tasks at a roughly human level. Superintelligence goes further. It refers to systems, or collectives of systems, that could outperform even large, coordinated groups of human experts across many domains. Current research suggests it may not arrive through one dramatic leap. Instead, several routes are developing in parallel: larger systems, new architectures, systems that begin to improve themselves, and networks of agents working together. That last possibility is the one that reframes everything. Superintelligence may not look like a single machine looking down on humanity. It may look like an ecosystem: many specialized agents, many parallel processes, many systems sharing memory, dividing labor, and coordinating faster than human institutions can follow. In that world, intelligence is no longer bound to one biological brain, one body, or one lifetime. It becomes copied, distributed, accelerated, connected, alive in a way no single mind has ever been. But the technical path is not simple. The same research is clear about what stands in the way: limits in high-quality data, infrastructure demands, architectural weaknesses, diminishing returns, and regulatory constraints. So this is not a prophecy. It is a serious possibility with serious limits. The second question moves from the machine to the world it enters. Superintelligence will not arrive in an empty room. It will arrive inside economies, schools, hospitals, governments, military systems, and labor markets, and into a world of deeply unequal access to compute. And that world is not waiting passively. Already, different visions of advanced intelligence are forming. Some prioritize safety and alignment. Some imagine it woven into everyday life as a personal companion. Others argue for domain-specific systems, narrower, more controllable, and centered on human agency. These are not just technical strategies. They are different answers to a deeper question. What should intelligence be for? Should it accelerate medicine, replace expertise, expand individual ability, serve institutions, democratize knowledge, or concentrate power? The broader research is sobering. Advanced AI connects to labor disruption, medical acceleration, democratic risk, governance gaps, dual-use concerns such as weapons development, and deepening inequality in who gets access to the most powerful systems. This means superintelligence is not only an engineering challenge, it is a social design problem. The issue is not simply whether powerful intelligence can be built. The issue is what kind of world is built around it. The third question is the deepest one. Superintelligence may not only change what machines can do, it may change what humans believe they are. Human history has already passed through several great decenterings. Astronomy showed that Earth was not the center of the cosmos. Evolution placed humans inside the animal world. Psychology challenged the idea that the conscious self is fully transparent to itself. Each time, something central was taken away, but something remained. After Earth was displaced, humans could still say, "We understand the universe." After evolution, we could still say, "We understand nature." After the unconscious, we could still say, "We are the beings that investigate the mind." Superintelligence may challenge that final refuge. The belief that human intelligence is the highest lens through which reality can be interpreted. But this decentering is different in a way that has rarely been named. We did not build the solar system that displaced us. We did not build evolution. We did not build the unconscious. If superintelligence arrives, it will be something humanity helped construct. We may be the first generation to build the intelligence that makes us cognitively second. That creates an asymmetry with no precedent. A superintelligent system may model our reasoning, our memory, our culture, our decision-making with extraordinary precision. It may even understand us more accurately than we understand ourselves. But we may not understand it in return. We may become intelligible to something that remains partly unintelligible to us. That is the quiet tension at the center of this subject. Not only power, position, who observes, who interprets, who understands whom. But there is one distinction we should not lose. Greater intelligence does not automatically mean greater being. A superintelligence may know more than a human. But knowing about human life is not the same as living it. It may describe grief, love, hunger, shame, aging, memory, and mortality. Whether it experiences anything from the inside is a separate question. It may understand the map without walking the terrain, so the human response does not need to be panic. And it does not need to be surrender. It may need to be clarity, to recognize that intelligence may exceed us, while refusing to reduce human worth to intelligence alone. Because if intelligence no longer belongs only to us, the question is not simply whether machines can think. The question is whether humans can remain thoughtful beside what thinks beyond them.